Good morning, children. This is Pradeep sir. Today we will be focusing on the reading comprehension or reading skills of the lesson Flying Together. How much you will read, that much you will learn. So, in this lesson Flying Together, a nice message is given to the younger generation. Experience plays an important role in everyone's life. Our parents, teachers, grandparents, all the elders, whenever they suggest you to refrain or not to do something which may hamper your progress, we don't like it because it's human nature. Everybody likes freedom. They don't want to under the custody of or the clutches of others. We don't want control. We need freedom, absolute freedom, but that freedom will sometimes mislead you to a wrong way. Based on the theme, let's discuss the lesson Flying Together. Here it is clearly asked in the beginning only, what happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? When your parents, teachers, elders advises you to do something which may be helpful for your future, the growth of your career, whenever you disobey them, there are chances that most of the time you have to face much difficulties. With great experience, your elders, your teachers always suggest you for your better development in your life. So, listening to their advice is a great help for you, which may lessen the miseries what you are going to face. So, in this lesson, in a nutshell, I want to tell you how the birds disobeyed the wise bird and suffered a lot. So, though they were living in the deep forest, what happened? They were very happy because they were in the safe hands. They were always guided by a wise bird. The wise bird was the eldest one in that flock. So here what happened? The wise bird always guiding the young geese what to do, what not to do. One day it decided, it observed that a creeper is growing under the tree where they are living. Their nests are on that particular tree. At the root part of the tree, the wise bird noticed a creeper is growing. So the assessment of the wise bird was that the creeper will grow and it will continuously grow and it will grow and become strong. So the creeper may be useful for somebody to enter into their nest or to reach to their nest. With that foresightedness, future planning, the geese were asked by the wise bird to destroy the creeper. All the birds got surprised. What, that creeper will harm us? It's a small creeper. Days passed and the creeper started growing thick and strong. A day has come finally when an hunter came and found that there are number of birds living on this particular tree. So it will be a good catch for him. But how to climb such a huge tree? Then the hunter observed that a creeper will help him, or a creeper will assist him to reach to the top of the tree. So the same creeper which was once a tender one, soft one, by that time only the wise bird advised other geese to destroy the creeper, but they did not pay attention to his caution. So when it became thick and strong, with the help of it, the hunter reached the nests of the birds. The birds were in search of their prey, and the hunter planned, executed all his works. He spreaded a net over their nest. So his plan was, whenever these geese will return, definitely their claws will be fixed in this net. They cannot escape from the net. Thus, his expectations for his catch was proved right. So what he did? He spreaded the net over their nest and simply got down from the tree with the help of the creeper. That evening, all the geese returned to their nest, and as it was getting to be dark, they could not notice the net. The wise old bird, who reached the spot little late, found that all the geese were they were all inside the net. They are unable to escape from the net of the hunter. So they started crying, "Save us, save us, save us." Then the wise old bird cautioned, reminded them, "Earlier, long days back, I suggested you to destroy the young, soft creeper. Because of that creeper only, today the hunter could able to reach us." So what he did? It suggested a way. The wise old bird suggested that you pretend like dead when the hunter will come to you. So when all of your friends will be removed by the hunter, wait till the last one is escaped. After that, all of you fly together. So this advice worked well, and because of this wise old bird, they all escaped the sure death from the hands of the hunter. So this lesson teaches us how important our elders' advices. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.